To the next video. In today's video I will show you how to get access to all the audio files which are present inside a user's device and play it inside exoplayer for native Android application. So here I have a button, and if I click on the button it will redirect me to the settings app. Because of scope storage you can't get access to all the files, all audio files separately. You have to request for all file access from Android R and above. If you are below Android R, then it will show you a read external storage permission. So here I will allow the all file access, and if I go back, here you can see that I can see the artist name, the title, as well as the mission, sorry, not the mission, the duration, and as well as thumbnail of the audio. And if it is unrecognizable, so I have two audios at the start which are not easily recognizable, then it just shows unknown. So here now you can just click on any of the items. So here you can see that it has started playing the audio. Now I am not playing the audio too much because I don't want a copyright strike on my videos. So yeah, let's get started. And firstly what I will show you guys is so I'm using recycler view as well as XML layout. So firstly what you will have to do is go to create a native Android project. You can use it Jetpack Compose as well if you want. So read external storage if below Android R. If not, then we will have to use manage external storage. Sorry about the background noise. And so that's it for Android manifest. And I have also created one more activity called main activity 2 that will play the audio file for us. And if you see this activity underscore main, before that I will show you the build.gradle.kts. so here you will have to add coil dependency because we want to load thumbnail, and media3 dependency because we want to play the audio file for us. Now if you go to activity underscore main, here you can see I have just taken a recycler view to display all the audio files which we have, as well as I have just taken one button. And here I am just calling get all audio because it will ask us for all the permission. If you don't want this button, you can just call whatever is present inside the on click listener of this button inside on create. So yeah, this is the recycler view, and if you check the cell for each of the recycler view, it just has an image as well as a text view. That's it. And do give some width and height, otherwise your image won't be visible. Next, inside activity underscore main 2, if you see I have just taken a player view over here. So we will be passing the URI from the main activity to the main activity 2, and it will start playing us the audio. Then inside audio data I have just taken duration, file path, title, artist, album, content URI, album, art, bitmap. So there are all these things. If you want more, you can request that as well. I will show you where exactly you will have to request it. And inside custom adapter, if you see I have just taken a listener on item click listener, if you see over here, so that we know once an item is clicked inside a recycler view. And inside custom adapter I have just taken this listener, and inside view holder I have just initializing image view as well as our text view. And inside on create view holder I am laying out our cell audio view XML layout file, and inside on bind view holder, so so it could be possible that the bitmap is null. So if, as you have seen in the first audio file did not have any bitmap, so I'm just showing this IC launcher background. You can show anything which you want. If there is a bitmap, then show the whatever bitmap it has. And here I'm just converting the total duration which we get in milliseconds to minutes and seconds. So here that's how I'm displaying over here. So I'm just displaying everything inside this one text view itself. And this is the click listener. Once an item is clicked and get item count, we display the size of our array list. Now going to the main activity over here, first we are implementing on item click listener. Then if you are below Android R, this you will come over here once you click on the button. So it will request for get audio, request for read external storage. Once it is granted, we call get all audios. Similarly for new way as well, like we will request for manage external storage. Once it is requested, we call get all audios, and this is how you request it. So if you are greater than Android are moved to the settings activity, and the user will have to manually enable it. We can't do much about it. And below Android are, here you can see I'm requesting read external storage, and this is just to check whether the user has granted the permission to us or not. And here I have just added that check over here, because if you are loading the app for the second or the third time, you don't want the user to press the button manually every single time, right? Here we are initializing our recycler view, and on button click listener, here you can see the same code. Once we have the permission, call get all audios, if not request the permission. Similarly over here as well, and it said get all audio. So here you can define what all things you want. So I have just defined ID, data, title, artist, album, duration. If you want more things, you can define it over here as well. And here we are constructing our audio URI from this, and from the cursor we will use the cursor and loop through this, and we will get ID, file path, title, index. We will get index of all these things. Once we get the index, we will get the actual ID, file path, title, artist, album, duration. And yeah, we don't need this. Okay, like I was just trying out some things, like if you check the way I'm decoding the thumbnail or getting the thumbnail in get all audio files, as compared to my previous video of getting all video files, is completely different, because I was using the same approach of video files and it wasn't working out for me. That's why I had to use this approach. So here we will get the content URI, so which will be the actual audio URI, and from that this is the ID for our title. We are constructing the thumbnail, and from that we get the thumbnail, and here we will convert we will get it inside a form of byte array, and here we convert byte array to bitmap, and there are helper methods for this. So here I am initializing our adapter, assigning it to a recycler view, and once the on item click is called, we are sending the URI to the second activity. Okay, so here, which you can see over here, and this is how I was using it previously, but unfortunately it didn't work for me. So you will have to use something like this: get thumbnail and byte array to bitmap. Okay, and inside main activity 2, so here I have just initializing our player view, same boilerplate code, initializing our player view over here. Here we will get the actual URI, setting up our player, and yeah, same thing, like building our exoplayer. Once on pause or on destroy is called, we are releasing our player, and inside on resume I am hiding the system UI as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.